Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can connect your spaceship domain to Hostinger. So on the other tab, I also have my domain provider, which is the Squarespace domain. So first, you just have to log into your spaceship account and then go to your domain manager. After that, right here, just tap on your domain and then tap on the name servers and DNS. So here we have our spaceship name servers. So we are going to copy these name servers. So after that, go here to your Hostinger account and then go to your domains. Okay. And then right here, be able to see your DNS and name servers. So we cannot really change our name servers from here because our domain provider is the Squarespace. So I'm going to change the DNS, the name servers from here. So let's just copy the first one. So this one, and then open the Squarespace or domain provider. And then we are just going to update the name servers. So after that, you just have to change the name servers. That's right. And then for the second one, we have this one. Okay, so copy and go back here and paste it right here. After that, you just have to tap on the save option. And then once done configuring, then be able to see here now that your spaceship domain has been successfully connected to your Hostinger account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.